After connecting the hydraulic lines, begin rolling out the tracks by moving forward while rotating the spools to deploy them. Make sure the tracks curve outward in the same arc as they are on the spools, avoiding concave rollback beneath the vehicle as shown. Notice that there are section breaks at each 25 feet or 7 meter intervals. Buckles are slid away from the opposing loops on the next section for manual maneuvering of the tracks and also to release them from the spools at the terminal point. You can move the tracks manually to adjust layout or widths for various equipment. When additional tracks are needed, you can add other sections by handling them manually. If you're on a job for extended periods, roll the sections up and move them away so that the ground can breathe and rejuvenate. Another option for extending temporary roadways is to use our new storage reel system, which holds dual spools of 200 feet or 56 meters each. The hoses from the reel system will be connected to the skid loader, which will power the motor on the storage reel. A flow control is used to control the output of the storage reel and the windup of the spools on the skid loader. This is, of course, reversed when returning the additional tracks to the storage reels. When deploying over sidewalks and driveways, use the walkout approach to deploy the tracks under power while using the grip straps to position the strap side of the tracks up to avoid any damage of the metal fasteners on the hardscape. When the job is finished, reconnect the sections as necessary. Latch the buckles of the furthest section to the harnesses on the spools. Back up and retrieve the tracks. Note that you can back off a considerable distance before pulling in the sections of the tracks onto the spools. Load the system back onto your trailer and move on to the next project. Saving unnecessary manual labor and reducing damage to the grounds will increase your productivity, adding more profitable jobs to your season. We hope you'll add the benefits of SlatTrax to your professional competitive advantages.